Hey, what's up, my superstar? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mariam Kopama, your natural hair superstar. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to slay this bantu knots using only one ingredient: to wash, to condition, to style, guys. Okay, it is amazing. It's packed with everything, guys. Only one ingredient, remember, only one ingredient. It's cheap, it's affordable, and the results are amazing. I achieved very cute bantu knots. I slayed myself out of this style, but I did not go anywhere, so I felt cute. And yeah, that's all I needed to feel. You get what I'm saying? So the only ingredient that I used is this, what we call okras. Other people call it the lady finger. Yeah, so it's amazing. Just wash your okras, cut them, soak them in water for at least 4-5 hours, and you have the thick slimy liquid, guys. Okay, so if it's too thick for you to even use it, just add more water. Okay, what I'm doing here, I'm diluting and ready to start the cleansing process, because this thing is going to clean your scalp, guys. It's more of a natural clarifying shampoo, guys. Zero chemicals, just all natural stuff. Okay, and look, the minute it touches the hair, it hydrates the hair, it restores moisture, guys. It moisturizes every dry hair strand, guys, and it's leaving a curl definition. Okay, that's just one application. So you just want to pour that into your scalp and just use the pad of your fingers just to clean your scalp, and of course define your curls by your finger and detangle your hair, and do everything literally with this liquid, guys. It is amazing. It works miraculous to the hair, and you don't need anything else, guys. It behaves as a hair gel, it behaves as a leave-in conditioner, it's a styler, it's affordable, it's all that you need, guys. Okay, so this okra contains vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, and it contains also calcium, iron, manganese, zinc, and potassium, guys. It has high quality of fibers, which gives the sleep. Okay, for instance, let's look at this dry strands here. The minute it touches water, it stretches to its limits. You see how the hair got longer there. After touching, the minute it touches the hair, the magic happens. The curls define themselves, the hair hydrates itself, the scalp cleans up, and the hair gets conditioned, and the hair follicles, the hair gets soft, guys. The hair gets so soft. So if you like what you see, just go ahead and like this video, and of course comment down below, and I'll so much appreciate, and I'll try to respond as much as I humanly can. Also, how I achieved this cute overload bantu knots after everything, after dealing with every after sectioning the hair, cleaning, cleansing, hydrating, moisturizes, and of course detangle. I just roll the hair to single twist strand, and I then roll it into a bantu knot, and I repeat the whole process for the whole head. It's not gonna be quick. I use 2 hours 30 minutes to do my whole head, guys. So at this point I'm exhausted, but I have to keep going, because I can't get over how cute I look already. Okay, so if you want to achieve everything in one liquid, like one thing, only one ingredient, just go with this. It's very easy to prepare, and it's going to leave your hair super moisturized, guys. Okay, so you don't have to wash this out. Once your hair dries out, just go back to your regular protective style. If you're going to do braids, or you're going to be doing twists, that's all you need, guys. Okay, so this how it works, guys. It works so amazingly, guys, and of course it's messy, so just use the bathroom, guys. I was sitting outside just to record this for you guys, but it's going to be messy, but at the end of the day it's worth it because the cuteness is undefeated. Okay, I'll see you guys in my other video. Until next time, bye bye.